Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Class 3 English. And students, as we know, we have already discussed our revision or we have already revised till our Unit 4. So today we are starting it with Unit 5, the swimming. This poem is the third poem which is very important for the question. Complete the poem. So, when all the days are hot and long and Robin Bird has ceased his song, I go swimming every day and have the finest kind of play. I have learned to dive and I can float as easily as does a boat. I splash and plunge and laugh and shout till Daddy tells me to come out. It's much too soon, I would like to cry, for I can see the ducks go by. And Daddy Duck, how I love him, he lets his children swim and swim. I feel that I would be in luck if only I could be a duck. This is a poem by Clinton Scholar. Here we have keywords which are very much important. Seized, stopped, float, keep oneself on the surface of water. Splash, make water fly up, cause water to fall on something in a scattered drops. Plunge, go deep into water. Also, here we have activity 4, which is answer the following questions. The boy is talking about which season? The boy is talking about hot and long days, summer season, I must say. What is the boy's daily activity? Boy's daily activity is just to swim. What does the boy do while swimming? He dives and floats on water. How does he feel when his father asks him to stop swimming? The boy starts crying. Why does the boy like Daddy Duck better than his own daddy? Because Daddy Duck allows his children to swim for a longer time. Here we have activity 9, 10, and thus we have completed the revision of chapter 5, which is only having the important part as question answers and complete the poem. Now, heading towards the unit 6, which is traffic signals, which we have completed in recent classes only. So, you you would be aware of the things we have discussed, and this story is very much important, students, as we already discussed. And so, here we have some keywords from this story. Crossroad, a place where two roads cross each other. Control, the power to make people or things do what you want. Switched on, pressed to start. Allow, permit. Switched off, pressed to stop something. Puzzled, confused. Mock, make fun of. Useless, of no use. Miserable, unhappy. Chaos, not in order. Halt, stop. Suddenly, all of a sudden. Pedestrians, those who walk. Honking, beeping or sound of horn. Skidded, sleeped. Nasty, bad, not nice. Rude, rude means not to be nice to everyone, not so polite, so it is not polite. Thrilled, feeling strong excitement. We are very, I must say, example, we are always very much thrilled to go for a picnic, students. So it is really feeling strong excitement. Murmur, speak in a low, quiet voice. Here we have question answers. How did red, orange, and green have great fun together? They have great fun together by having done each and everything in a perfect manner, and all of the three working as a team doing their work. Why did orange feel hurt and miserable? Because red and orange made fun of orange and said that orange, you are useless. So orange felt hurt and miserable. What happened when orange stopped working? When orange stopped working, there was chaos on the road. And also, what did the police officer say when he saw the orange was not working? Police officer said that that's why there is a chaos on the road, because orange light is not working. What do you think red and green felt when they heard the police officer's voice? When red and green, when police officer said that there is a chaos on the road because orange light is not working. By listening to this, red and green felt very sorry and proposed orange to do work with them or to work as a team again. Here students, we have completed this activity 6 7 of map, and this is very much important but not for exam. So let's directly come to activity 8, which is match. Rivers flow, flags flutter, kangaroos jump, trees sway, clouds drift, babies crawl, birds fly, fish swim. This match the following is very important, student, and so hereby we are completing our chapter 6th revision. And by here, I want to conclude this revision section by saying that all the 6 chapters have important topics like keywords. Also, all of the chapter having answered the following questions. They have poem to complete, true or false we are having in it. These are the very important things for revision section, or I must say for the end semester exam. But I want to also complete one activity, students. I have, if I get to know, that is very much important for me. So yes. Here in chapter 5th, we are having true and false, which is very much important. So let's discuss. The boy starts crying when he is called by his father. Yes, the boy always starts crying because he always wanted to swim for a longer time. So here we are having true. The boy has a keen desire to be a duck. False. He is not having a desire to be a duck. The boy compares himself with a robin. False. Sorry, here we are having true. Okay, students. Boy is always having a desire to be a duck. The boy compares himself with a robin. False. No, he is not comparing it with a robin. He is just talking of Robin Hood songs. The boy envies the young ones of the duck. False. The boy considers himself lucky. False. The boy is not considering himself lucky, is considering the baby duck and the daddy duck are lucky. The boy feels that he hasn't been allowed to play to his satisfaction. True. Yes, the boy is not allowed to play till the boy's satisfaction. The boy is allowed to play. The boy is allowed to swim, but is not allowed to play to his satisfaction. So, true. So hereby we are completing our revision of till chapter 6, students. And thank you, students.